case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, a medical malpractice lawsuit put the United States National Institutes of Health, NIH, in the hot seat after it was found to have delayed the treatment of a patient, Virginia Waffen, which, according to the plaintiff, significantly lowered her survival chances. The lawsuit revolved around the doctrine of loss of chance, holding that liability can be established even if the patient's chance of survival was less than 51% before it was reduced by negligence. The defendant, NIH, admitted to the mistake of having misplaced Waffen's radiologist's report, which indicated a mass in her lung. At the center of the dispute was whether NIH's negligence in this situation could be linked to any harm to Waffen and whether this presumed harm reduced her survival chances. Waffen's expert witness argued that the delay in treatment caused harm to her, while the defendant's witness strongly disagreed, inciting a decision upon the court to address the resulting uncertainty. The case reached the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit after being dismissed by a lower court, which ruled in favor of NIH, arguing that the delay did not substantially harm the plaintiff. The dismissal's reasoning was based on the finding that Waffen, diagnosed with stage 1 cancer, failed to provide sufficient proof that any delay in treatment substantially reduced her chance of survival. On appeal, the higher court upheld the district court's decision. The court was bound by the clearly erroneous standard of review, meaning it could only dispense with a factual determination if it found it to be clearly wrong. Ultimately, the court reiterated the need for the plaintiff to show actual injury and emphasized the credibility of the defendant's expert witness. Despite NIH's admitted error, the court maintained that Waffen failed to prove that this mistake resulted in a substantial reduction in her survival chances.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.